If you want to know how to make a quick $500 in just 24 hours, then you're watching the perfect video, guys. I'm going to be walking you through the best method to make quick cash step by step. Not only will this method make you money super quickly, but it's also super easy, and literally anyone can do it, even if you're not a tech expert. So let's just dive straight in. Step 1. Sign up for Postwise. Alright, let me spill the beans on this money-making method that's gonna blow your mind. We've got this awesome platform called Postwise, and trust me, it's a total game changer. Picture this, your very own personal assistant for crafting killer tweets on Twitter. It's like magic. So listen up, getting started with Postwise is a breeze, I promise. Just head on over to this link here, which I've also put in the description for you, and sign up. And the best part is that you don't need to be some AI expert. It's designed to be super user-friendly, so you'll be rocking it in no time. Once you're on the Postwise website, keep an eye out for the Try It Free Now button. Click it and you'll land on a page where you can enter your Twitter username and password. I know security matters, but don't worry because Postwise takes your privacy seriously and has all the necessary safeguards in place. After plugging in your Twitter details, just hit that Authorize App button. And boom! Postwise gets access to your account. But hold on, only to create fantastic tweets on your behalf. Within seconds, you'll be back on the Postwise dashboard, ready to get started. Now, here's where the fun begins. With Postwise, crafting professional-level tweets becomes super easy. Just pick a topic you're passionate about, and the AI bot dishes out a bunch of tweet options tailor-made for your audience. I absolutely love that because it means your content will truly engage with your followers. And Postwise even lets you schedule your tweets in advance, saving you heaps of time. Step 2. Start creating professional tweets. Alright, now let's dive into the world of dropshipping and release some seriously impressive tweets that will make you shine like a star. All it takes is a simple click on that search bar and typing in dropshipping to unlock a whole bunch of tweets designed just for this topic. Once you've entered your search term, Postwise's AI bot springs into action, giving you a bunch of tweet options to pick from. And you can even add your personal flair to them, making them a perfect fit for your brand's voice and style. But let me tell you what truly blows my mind about Postwise. It's a learning machine. The more you use it, the smarter it becomes, crafting top-notch tweets that instantly grab your audience's attention. And you're not limited to just a single search term. You can enter as many different topics as you want, generating amazing tweets for each one. With Postwise, your Twitter feed will be diverse, captivating, and keep your followers hooked. Trust me, if you're in the dropshipping game, Postwise is an absolute game changer. Step 3. Select a tweet and schedule it. Now that you've created some seriously awesome tweets using Postwise, it's time to get them out there and reach your audience. Trust me, scheduling is going to be the best thing that has happened to you. Once you've picked the perfect tweet, just click that Schedule button and choose when you want it to go live. Scheduling is super important because it makes sure that your content reaches the right people at the right time. Let's say your Twitter followers are most active in the morning. You can schedule your tweets accordingly to get maximum engagement, and that way you don't have to manually do it yourself. So even if you're busy, you can have peace of mind knowing that the tweets will be sent out anyway. It's all about optimizing your reach and making sure your audience sees what you've got to say. But remember, scheduling is just one part of the puzzle. To actually build a loyal following on Twitter, you need to connect with your audience. Make sure to respond to their comments, answer their questions, and appreciate their feedback. That's how you establish yourself as an expert in the dropshipping world and build trust with your followers. So make sure you take the time to interact with your audience and nurture those valuable relationships. Step 4. Post 3 to 5 tweets per day. Alright, let's keep that momentum going and deliver content that'll make your dropshipping followers want more. Trust me, building a strong Twitter following in the dropshipping world is all about staying active. And with Postwise, creating awesome tweets is so easy. So, if you want to keep your dropshipping followers engaged and pumped up, make sure to aim for 3 to 5 tweets every day. It's all about staying active and keeping your content flowing. Luckily, Postwise is here to make your life a breeze. Now, here's a golden tip: mix it up. Don't stick to just one kind of tweet. Try out informative articles, inspiring quotes, hilarious memes, or anything else that matches your niche and grabs your audience's attention. This will give your feed that extra oomph and help you reach a wider audience. So let your creativity run wild and enjoy the process. With Postwise, the possibilities are endless, and soon enough, you'll have a dedicated following waiting for your every tweet. Step 5. Monetize your content through affiliate marketing. As your dropshipping Twitter following continues to grow, what you want to do now is look for ways to monetize your content. And let me tell you, affiliate marketing is an absolute game changer. It's not just popular, but it has the potential to earn you some serious cash by promoting products to your loyal followers. As an affiliate marketer, you become a trusted middleman between your audience and the products they're interested in. You recommend products or services that you genuinely believe in and earn a commission when your followers make a purchase through your unique affiliate link. It's a win-win situation where you get rewarded for sharing valuable recommendations and your followers get access to products they'll love. Now, let me tell you about my absolute favorite affiliate network, Digistore. They've got a ton of products in different niches, including dropshipping. And signing up for a Digistore account is super easy. Once you're in, you can explore their marketplace and find the perfect product that your audience will love. Now, here's the exciting part, your very own affiliate link. It's like your secret code as an affiliate, and it's what brings in those sweet commissions. Don't worry, it's super easy to get. Just go to the product page on Digistore and look for the Promote Now button. Click on it and boom, you'll get an exclusive link that you can share with your followers. I personally think you gotta promote products you truly believe in and be honest about your affiliate partnerships. When you do it right, affiliate marketing can be an amazing way to make money from your dropshipping Twitter account and earn that extra income. To make it super easy for your followers to buy the product you're promoting, you can add your affiliate link to your Twitter bio. That's the section below your username and description. To do this, just go to your Twitter profile, click on Edit Profile, and you'll see the website field where you can paste your affiliate link. This way, your followers can click on it, access the product, and make a purchase using your special link. To boost the chances of getting your followers actually buying the product, it's a smart move to include a short description and a call to action in your Twitter bio. This will give them that extra push to click on the link and make a purchase. Plus, having your affiliate link in your bio helps new followers discover the awesome product you're promoting. As your content gets more engaging and you gain more followers, the chances of making sales and earning those sweet commissions increase. Just remember, promote the product in a genuine and captivating way to build trust with your audience. That way, they'll feel confident buying through your affiliate link. So, go ahead and dive into the exciting world of affiliate marketing through Digistore and Twitter. Trust me, if you follow this tutorial step by step and have the right approach, you can turn your passion for dropshipping into an adventure that makes you bucket loads of cash in no time. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a like and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more great content on making money online. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be the first to learn about new money-making opportunities. And as always, feel free to leave a comment with any questions or feedback. See you next time.